Test, test. Hey, hello, it's me. Menu, 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 menu. Okay, so let me just open everything up. I just have to make everything ready. This music is from Mario Kart, by the way. I need to add that to the text. Everything's nearly ready. Goes round up, and that is fun. I'm gonna get something that will like improve the experience. So like recently I added like text to speech for the screens, so people can like when people like chat, the voice comes out as text to speech. But it's kind of quiet sometimes, you're not able to hear it. So I wanna make it louder. So I'm gonna add an extension, and that's gonna be so cool. So awesome. So cool. Super cool. Okay, so let me try this. Try this again. This fucking sucks. It does nothing. But oh well. Okay, let me try this different extension that increases browser volume. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. These both do fuck all, but oh well. Okay, other extension, do you want to take another swing at it? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, wait, okay, one last thing. Let me try Firefox. Text to speech. Sure. Wait, no, I can't use that browser. I can't use that. Well, I guess I can't do anything now. Oh well. Another time. I need to remove the thing that messages people whenever they come in the chat. It's just annoying. Okay, testing. Just checking that my voice is above this thing. Yep. Wait a minute. Did an ad play and I did nothing about it? Oh well. just adjusting this. Okay, there. And Firefox, do your thing. Okay, cool. So when I was... I don't know when these came in. I know that I'd done something to add them there, but I don't remember seeing them. I was just looking at the bottom of the page and like waiting to see like when will these show up. Let me see if I can find them. Ahref, freeCodeCamp.org. Yep. 17th class social icons. Ahref. Da. Oh. Or like, since when did I put the images for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and LinkedIn in here? I do not remember putting the images for those there. Is that like part of the font? Is that like a font thing? Oh, what about this? Yeah, I do not remember that at all. The class social icons. But I did not make a. I did not edit the class yet. How are these icons here? Wait, I need to see what caused. I need to see what like caused this, because that's interesting. How did this all happen? Wait, what? Fab FA Twitter. So it's these fab stuff that caused it. Okay, that's very interesting. I do not remember putting that in myself. I do not remember that at all. Let me just remove this checklist. Okay, there. Okay, well, I get it now. I'm guessing it came from this, like, this Google fonting. No, it didn't come from that. Okay, then it came from this, I guess. Ah, okay. That's very interesting. Let me see this. Oh. Oh. So what the heck is this? HTTPS use font awesome. So these are fonts. Okay. Anyway, to start your CSS, normalize the CSS rules by targeting all elements with asterisks, including the ... before and ... after pseudo selectors. Set the padding and margin properties both to 0 and set the box sizing property to wood box. We'll remove this. Targeting all elements. Wait, to start your CSS, normalize the CSS rules by targeting all elements with this, including the before and after pseudo selected. Let me just check the code. Okay. A box sizing. Oh wait, oh no. This looks like a disaster. Okay. We'll let them cook. Create a HTML selector and give it a font size property set to blah blah blah. HTML. That. Font size 62.5%. This will set the default font size for your web page to 10px. The browser default is 16. This will make it easier for you to work with rem units later, as rem2 would be 20px. Alright. It is tiny as hell. Create a body selector, set the font family property to Bakersville with the fallback of serif. Set the color property to linen and the background color to blah blah blah. Okay. I think I'm starting to have hay fever. You gotta be joking me. Interesting. Okay. Okay, that looks very cool. This looks so good. Become a supporter. Give us money. Give us money. Give us money. I cannot even blame them. If I get my first donation, then I will give money. Oh yeah, if I do give money, then these pop-ups will go the fuck away. How much is it? Nah, I cannot click that. I don't know where it'll bring me to. AH1. Set the font family property to Anton. Fallback of sans serif. Damn, that looks pretty good. H3, H4, H5, H6. Then now you're ready to start putting together the grid layout. CSS grids offer a two-dimensional grid-based layout, allowing you to center items horizontally and vertically, while still retaining control to do things like overlap elements. Begin by creating a main selector and give it a display property set to grid. Okay. What? Now you are ready to start putting together the grid layout. CSS Grid offers two-dimensional grid-based layout, allowing you to center items horizontally and vertically while still retaining control to do things like that. Alright, we'll see what they mean by this. Now you can style the layout of your grid. CSS Grid is similar to Flexbox in that it has a special property for both the parent and child elements. In this case, your parent elements are the main... Let me read slowly. Now you can style the layout of your grid while similar to Flexbox, in that it has a special property for both the parent and child elements. In this case, your parent element is the main element. Set the content to have 3-column layout by adding... I read it without paying attention. Okay. Now you can style the layout of your grid. CSS Grid is similar to Flexbox. Okay, and that has a special property. Fucking ad. Oh, no. Okay. I have to press the mute button. Like, I have to press it twice, or else it doesn't mute the music on the stream. I have 2 copyright claims. Man. Oh shit. My mic just fell. My mic just fell. What the fuck happened to my name? Wait, what happened to what the fuck happened to my name? Wait, what the? No, like seriously, what the fuck happened to my name? My name was here. Guys, I was checking OBS and I think I deleted my name. Oh fuck. What the fuck happened to my name? Okay, wait, let me try add it back. So media source, add existing. What the fuck is the overlay? Um. Yeah. This. Oh damn, Viper Vulcan. What the heck is up? Yeah, you caught me at a very weird time. I just accidentally deleted my overlay. You know how my name is usually on top? Well, not anymore. It's because I accidentally deleted it. So I'm gonna have to put that back up. That's gonna be annoying. I'm gonna have to put a green screen and all that again. Goddamn. Nah, it's fine, man. I'm just doing like a very early stream before my math class. I'm just like trying out like streaming in the morning, but I'm gonna stream later in the day. But yeah, now I'm gonna have to deal with this, so that's gonna be fun. Anyway, how have you been? How's your day yesterday? Yeah. It's so weird though. I have to press my keybind twice to like mute the music. Odd. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to create a new overlay. Let me just quickly do that. Anyway, like yesterday I was like doing a job to be on an ad.
Been doing good. I've been drawing again.
Oh shit, what do you like to draw? And what kind of overlay do I use again? I forgot. Let me check online. How to bring deleted stuff on OBS. Right click.
Viper Falcon. I've been drawing fan art of games like Pseudo Regalia and Shin Megami Tensei.
Damn, that's cool. You're gonna have to show me one day. Right click start, click run, type app data, and press return. Right click OBS Studio and choose properties and previous. Jesus Christ. You know what? I'll just bring it back later. I'll do this off stream. Let me just let me just go on like this. Go on overlay. I'll just go on without an overlay. I can survive. I can survive. But yeah, that sounds very cool. You need to show me those one day. In this case, your parent element in. Now you can style the layout of your grids. Yes, from there. That has a blah blah blah. In this case, your parent element is the main element. Set the content to have a tree column layout. I hate people.
Regalia is an N64 like Metroidvania, and it's a really chill game.
I never heard of it. Wait a minute. Suna Gate. Yeah, no, I never heard of it. In this case, your parent element is the main element. Set the content to have three column. Wait, actually, why are you up at 4 AM? You need to get your beauty sleep, man. It's important to have your beauty sleep. SMH. Shaking my head so hard now. But you can't see it. Wait, let me lower the volume of the music so I can hear myself. In this case, your parent element is the main element. Set the content to have a three column layout by adding a grid template. Template columns property.
True. I'm going to sleep. GN menu.
Nah, good night, man. I hope you have a nice sleep. Hopefully I'll be back today streaming.
I'm a party animal.
property with a value of 1 F4 94 RAM. Wait, 1 F4 94 RAM. Holy shit. 1 F4. Okay. That's very cool. I keep saying that's very cool to everything, but it's because I'm learning so much. This will create 3 columns where the middle column is 94 RAM wide, and the first and last columns are about one fraction of the remaining space in the grid container. Yeah, I do not understand that respectfully. I'll learn more. Use the min-max function to make your columns responsive on any device. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need this. The min-max function takes 2 arguments, the first being the minimum value and the second being the maximum. These values could be the length percentage, FR, or even the keyword like max content. Wrap each of your already defined values of the grid template columns property in a min-max function, using each value as a second argument. The first argument should be 2 RAM min content and 2 RAM respectively. Yeah, I'm gonna need help with this. Your main selector should have a grid template columns property set to min-max 2 RAM. Min-max 2 RAM FR, like min-max. Okay, so do I just delete this? I think I just delete this. Wait. What did I do wrong? Your main selector should have a grid template columns. Yeah, probably set to min-max 2 RAM 1 FR. Yeah. Min-max. Yeah. Min content, comma 94 RAM. Min-max 2 RAM 1 FR. Okay, I see. This looks so weird. It'll make sense in the end. Right now, it's not so responsive. Okay, tab space between rows in the grid layout. You can use the row gap property. Give the main selector a row gap property of 3 REM. Okay. This looks fucking hideous. So far, so far, so far. Think positive. Your magazine will have 3 primary sections. You already set the overall layout in the main rule, but you can adjust the placement in the child rules. One option is the grid column property, which is shorthand for grid column start and grid column end. The grid column property tells the grid item which grid item the grid line to start and end at. Create a heading rule and set the grid column property to 2/3, which will tell the dot heading element to start at grid line 2 and end at grid line. Oh. What the fuck?
It's time for something new. But where do I start?
God, ads. I hate ads. Though I refuse to pay for I refuse to pay for YouTube to get rid of them for me. Okay, no more music again. No more music again. Your magazine will have 3 primary sections. You already set the overall layout. You already set the overall layout in the main. So I was just checking something. Your magazine will have 3 primary sections. You already set the overall layout in the main rule, but you can adjust the placement in the child rules. One option is the grid column property, which is shorthand for grid column start and grid column end. The grid column property tells the grid item which grid line to start at and end at. Create the dot heading rule. Set the grid column property to 2/3. This will tell the heading element to start at grid 2 and end at grid 3. Yeah, I'm not gonna absorb this information, unfortunately. I'm gonna need way more practice at this. What the? Wait, it's not working. What the heck? Oh, okay, everything's back. Everything's back now. This just looks the exact same as... It looks the same as how the site was before. I wonder what the purpose of doing this is, like... There must be a reason why websites are made like this sometimes. What happens if I delete everything? Okay, yeah, like it looks better, but I'm gonna just mess around with this to see the differences. Yeah, it'll take a while for me to understand this. It'll take a while for me to understand this. For additional control over the layout of your content, you can have a CSS grid within a CSS grid. Set the display property of your heading selector to grid. Okay. You can now style the content of the heading element with CSS grid. The CSS repeat function is used to repeat a value rather than writing it out manually, and is helpful for grid layouts. For example, setting the grid template columns property with repeat 20 to 200px would create 20 columns, each 200px wide. Okay, I might use this thing. I understand this thing. Everything else is just so complicated. Give your heading element a grid template columns property and set to repeat. Bleh. Oh wait, I reached the end of the playlist. So now time to move on to the hype playlist. This song was played many times, so let me just skip it. This as well. This as well. This as well. Yeah. Give your dot heading selector a row gap property set to 1.5 rem. Remember that the grid column property determines which columns an element starts and ends at. There may be times where you are unsure of how many columns you have, but you want an element to stop at the last column. To do this, you can use the -1 for the end column. Create a dot hero selector. Okay, dot hero. And give it a grid column. Property set to 1/-1. Oh, 53%. I will be back though. What's up? I'm back. Okay, you should remove the temporary width attribute before writing the CSS for your hero.img. Okay. Create an img element. Give it a width of 100%. That was a terrible spelling of object. And an object width set to cover. The object fit property tells the browser how to position the element within the container. In this case, cover will set the image to fill the container. Cropping as needed and avoiding change. Wait, okay. The object fit property tells the browser how to position the element within its container. In this case, cover will set the image to fill the container, cropping as needed to avoid changing the aspect ratio. All right. Okay, I see. Create a hero title selector. Give it a text line. Set to center. Color set to orange. What? Font size set to 8 rem. The subtitle also needs to be styled. Create a hero subtitle. Subtitle. Give a font size property set to. Wait, damn it. .4 rem. And a color set to. Oh damn! What's up, end sweep? How's it hanging? On about YouTube and Twitch. Wait a minute. Okay, there. I nearly forgot about the music. Anyway, what's up? What's up, Orange? Okay, give it a font size property set to 2.5 rem, a color property set to orange. Oh wait, orange red. I was just calling it orange, like orangutan or something. And a text align property set to center. Okay, create an auto selector. Give it a font size of font size property set to 2 rem. Font family set to railway. Okay, it is very good. And with the fallback of sans serif. An auto name, a cover. Give it a background color. Set this. This will create a hover. Yeah, I see, I get it. Okay, social. Still here. I just wanted to listen to the music. Wait, what? Immediately for 5. Oh, like put 5 icons in a single row. Okay, if you want to add more social icons but keep them on the same row, you would need to update the grid template columns to create additional rows. As an alternative, you can create the grid autoflow property. Nice. The property creates either row or column as the first value, takes either row or column as the first value. With an optional second value of dense, grid autoflow uses an auto placement algorithm to adjust the grid layout. Setting it to column will tell the algorithm to create new columns for content as needed. The dense value will allows the algorithm to backtrack and fill holes in the grid with some items, which can result in items filling out of order. For your social icon selector, set the grid autoflow property to column. Wait, no. Ads. They scare the life out of me whenever I hear them. Okay, now the auto placement algorithm will kick in when you add a new icon element. However, the algorithm defaults the column width to be auto, which will not match your current columns. You can override this with the grid auto column property. Give the social icon selector a grid auto columns property set to 1 or 4. Wait, auto columns, okay. Okay, I think I'll stop when I'm 70% done with this. Much like Flexbox with CSS Grid, you can align the contents of the grid items with align items and justify items, Align items will align the child elements along the column axis, and justify items will align child elements along the row axis. Give the social icon selector and align item property set to center. Box and axis. Sorry, I'm very done. Okay. Give the text selector a font size property set to 1.8 mm. A letter spacing property 1.6 px. Yeah, I'll leave it at 69. Okay, so like to anyone watching, I just realized there's something I have to do quickly. So BRB, I guess. A long one.